This is question number 5. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one of the cubical wooden blocks such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the edge of the cube. Let's suppose this is a cubical block and this is the hemisphere we have cut out. So, they said the diameter is equal to the edge of the cube. Therefore, radius of hemisphere is L by 2. And now we have to find the surface area. So the surface area equals to curved surface area of the hemisphere, that is 6a square. Hemisphere first, not we will write the cube. So total surface area, that is 6a square or L square. So let's put 6L square, and then the curved surface area of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. So write it as 2 pi r square. 2 into pi, r is L by 2, so L by 2 whole square, and minus pi r square because this portion is common between them as the previous one. So just put like that way. And now what we have to do is, as there is no number, so we will just make it a little simpler. We can't solve it properly. Now 2 into pi into L by 2 into L by 2 minus pi into L by 2. This 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. So now it will become 6L square plus pi L square by 2 minus pi L square by 4. Now we can take L square as common from all of them, and we will write 6 plus pi by 2 minus pi by 4. We can make the pi by 2 and pi by 4 part a little simpler, that is 6 plus 2 pi minus pi, and it will become L square 6 plus pi by 4.